Here's a story about Julie and Dan, two friends who went used car shopping. Dan went to Used Car Depot and bought a pre-owned car as is. Julie went to Ed Morse Honda and bought a certified pre-owned Honda, which came with the Ed Morse Honda Peace of Mind full protection package. She drove off the lot worry-free. Dan drove off the lot too, warranty-free. Dan didn't realize that buying a used car as is comes with plenty of risks. Julie knew, that's why she went to Ed Morse Honda. Julie never had to ask, what has the car been through? And what happens if something breaks? Because the Peace of Mind full protection package she got from Ed Morse Honda includes a 7-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, 182-point inspection, special APR financing, reconditioned or replaced parts, free vehicle history reports, free SiriusXM radio, plus 2 years complimentary maintenance that you can only get at Ed Morse Honda. Take it from Julie and Dan. When it comes to buying pre-owned, you can rest assured knowing
Ed Morse is gonna save you.
Rush into Ed Morse Honda today or visit edmorsehonda.com.